Hey guys, I'm Natasha Bafna and welcome to yet another episode of the Jewelry Design Workshop. As promised, today we will be discussing a very important and fascinating aspect in jewelry. As a designer, the look and the feel of a jewelry piece is very important to me, and so is the setting. The setting type simply refers to the metal base that holds a gemstone or diamond in place. Setting is a crucial part of the designing process because it secures the stone and also makes the jewelry look more attractive. There are a couple of settings practiced worldwide, but we've detailed out some of the most common and widely used settings. So let us begin with the first and the most popular setting. This is how a prong setting looks like. This is the illustration of prong setting. As you can see here, we have drawn prongs around each diamond. This is a jewelry piece that uses the prong setting. In prong setting, we have the collet, which is like a basket where the diamond is studded. As you can see here, there are these few pipes around it, which are called prongs, which hold the gemstone or diamond from top so that they don't fall from its position. This is the illustration of bezel setting. As you can see here, this is the gold rim around the circumference of each gemstone. In bezel setting, there is a collet with a thin layer of gold around the circumference of the gemstone securing it. The metal border gives a shape to the diamond in jewelry. This is the illustration of grain setting. Over here, we have the metal wall around the line of gemstones, and we also have these tiny grains holding the gemstones. In grain setting, we only use round diamonds that are held by these tiny prongs called grains. There is a thin line of gold which acts like a boundary of the gemstone. It shapes the flow of the stone, and remember, only round diamonds are used in this setting. This is the illustration of Pave Setting. In Pave Setting, as you can see, every diamond has sharing grains. In Pave Setting, very tiny round diamonds are held securely by grains. Please note, unlike the grain setting which is in a line, the Pave Setting is highly clustered. This is the illustration of channel setting with baguettes. And this is the metal wall around the line of gemstones. Channel setting permits the use of limited shapes like baguettes and princess cuts that are placed back to back without any spaces. Round shaped diamonds are also used in this setting considering its popularity. This is the illustration of micro prong setting. As you can see, it has no metal wall, and it can have sharing or individual prongs. In the micro prong setting, line of round diamonds are placed together in a linear manner. If you focus on the side view, you will realize that it is U-shaped and looks similar to the grain setting. The exception is that the grain setting has border, while here the design has no border. This is the illustration of composite setting for a round or a pair solitaire look. A composite setting lends the look of a solitaire by combining various shapes of diamonds to make the jewelry look like a solitaire. This is an interesting setting, or let's say a trick setting. This is the illustration of invisible setting with princess cut diamonds in a grid of 9. In invisible setting, we only use princess cut diamonds that are placed with absolutely no provision for space between two stones. To create such pieces, the diamonds are sent for a light cut, often resulting in the loss of weight in the diamond. Colored gemstones look great in such settings. Time up, folks. The next video will take your idea of jewelry designing to a whole new level. So stay connected. If you want me to talk about a particular topic in jewelry designing, please mention it below in the comment section and I'll discuss it in the upcoming videos. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe.